Good morning, students. In the previous class, I explained you the division of algebraic expression, in which you learnt division of a monomial by a monomial. I explained you 6 parts of question number 1 from A to F, and in all 6 parts you learnt how can we divide a monomial by a monomial. Today we will continue the same exercise 5C, but today I am going to explain how can we divide a binomial or a trinomial by a monomial. So let us start. It's part G of question number 1, exercise 5C. In this question we have to divide 10a square plus 5ab by 5a. See here I have written this question: divide 10a square plus 5ab by 5a. So first we will write this question in this form: 10a square plus 5ab. We will write the algebraic expression which we have to divide, divided by 5a. First we will write this question in this form, then write in the form of p upon q, 10a square plus 5ab upon 5a, or in numerator upon denominator form. So here in numerator there is a binomial expression, and while in denominator it is a monomial. We will divide these two terms of the given algebraic expression by this monomial individually. We will write these two terms separately: 10a square upon 5a, this 5a, then this plus sign, then this 5ab divided by this 5a. First we will write these two terms separately with the same denominator 5a. 10a square upon 5a, then this plus sign, 5ab upon this 5a. Now simplify. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. Here a also cancel. Now we are applying the same process as we applied in part A, B, C, D, E and F. So now this 2, then this a square. This a square means, student, a multiply a upon this a, then a cancel, plus here what is left? 1b. There is no denominator, so it will be written as b. So what is the quotient? What is the answer? 2a plus b. Here students, we can do it like this also. See, 10a square upon 5a plus 5ab upon 5a. Here no problem. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, a cancel. Here no problem. But here we can do like this: this 2, then this a square. What is the power of this a? Power of this a is considered as 1. You know, when there is no power, then it is considered as 1. So we will subtract this 1 power of a from this 2. We can write it like this: 2a square minus power 1. Then it will be as it is. Then it is written as a power 2 minus 1 means a power 1, and a power 1 means a. 2a plus b. Clear? Now come to h part. Its h part is 22a square minus 11a plus 5 divided by minus 11. Again first we will write in this form, that is 22a square minus 11a plus 5 divided by minus 11. I am writing minus 11 like this. Otherwise this division sign and minus sign will mix. Now write this question in the form of numerator upon denominator. 22a square minus 11a plus 5 upon this minus 11. Now what we will do? In this step we will write these three terms separately with the same denominator minus 11. That is 22a square upon minus 11. Then this minus 11a. See this minus 11a upon this minus 11 here. Then this plus sign 5 upon minus 11. Now again we will simplify it. 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11. Now this is 2a square upon minus 1. Then this minus 1a. 1a means a upon this minus 1. This minus 1. Then this plus 5 upon minus 11. Now students, this is the denominator 1. We will not write denominator as 1. This minus will be written with this 2a square. So it will become minus 2a square. Now this minus and this minus, it will become plus a upon 1. A upon 1 means a. We will not write 1. Then this plus and this minus, it will become minus 5 upon 11. This is the answer. Now come to its I part. In this I part, question is 9axy plus 12xy plus 18x by 9xy. So first we will write it 9axy plus 12xy plus 18x divided by 9xy. Now write this question in the form of numerator upon denominator. 9axy plus 12xy plus 18x upon 9xy. Now write all these three terms separately with the same denominator. 9axy upon 9xy. Then this plus sign 12xy upon this 9xy. Then this plus sign 18x upon 9xy. Simplify. 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9. X and x cancel, y and y cancel. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. X cancel, y cancel. Plus 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. X cancel. Now what is left? From the first term only a is left. 9 cancel, x cancel, y cancel. Plus from second term only 4 upon 3 left. X cancel, y cancel. Plus from third term 2 in numerator upon y in denominator. So our answer is a plus 4 upon 3 plus 2 upon y. Then next part J. In J part, question is minus 4xy square z plus 24ax by 4 upon 5 xy square. So minus 4xy square z plus 24ax divided by 4 upon 5 xy square, then minus 4xy square z plus 24ax upon 4/5 xy square. Now write these two terms separately. Minus 4xy square z upon 4/5 xy square. This plus then 24ax upon 4/5 xy square minus 4xy square z. Now we will write reciprocal of this 4/5 xy square. It will be read as 4xy square upon 5. When we write reciprocal of it will become 5/4xy square. Because what is the meaning of this term? It means minus 4xy square z. This upon means divided by 4/5 xy square. When we write it like division minus 4xy square z, then this divide sign will change to multiply and we will write its reciprocal. It will be 5/4xy square. So we have written this one plus sign. It will be written also in this form, 24ax multiply 5/4xy square. Now see here, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, x cancel, y square cancel. Here 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24 and x cancel. So what is the left? This minus sign. Then here z multiply by 5. Z multiply 5, it will be 5z, no denominator. Then this plus sign, 6 5 ja 30 with this a. It will become 30a upon y square. Clear? One more part. Now last part K of this question. I have written here. We will do it as we did J. First we will write minus 50 PR square plus 4/7 PQR cube plus 25 PQR divided by 5/7 PQR square. Now minus 50 PR square plus 4/7 PQR cube plus 25 PQR upon 5/7 PQR square. Now write all three terms separately or individually. Minus 50 PR square upon 5/7 PQR square plus 4/7, this 4/7 PQR cube upon 5/7 PQR square. Then this plus 25 PQR upon 5/7 PQR square. Now write minus 50 PR square, this one, then multiply this 7 upon 5 PQR square plus 4 upon 7 PQR cube multiply this 7 upon 5 PQR square plus 25 PQR multiply 7 upon 5 PQR square. Simplified, 5 1 जा 5, 5 10 जा 50, P cancel, R square cancel. Now 7 1 जा 7, 7 1 जा 7, PQR square, P cancel, Q cancel. This R square will be subtracted from this 3. Then 5 1 जा 5, 5 5 जा 25, PQ cancel, and this R will be subtracted here. See how it is minus 10 into 7 upon this Q plus 4R cube multiply 1 upon 5 R square plus this 1 upon 5 R square plus 5 R into 7 upon R square. See again, this minus 10 PR square cancel into 7 upon this Q, then this plus here 4R cube here into 1 upon 5 R square plus this one 5 R, this one PQ cancel, so 5 R into 7 upon R square. Now see, minus 10 7 ja 70 upon Q plus 4 1 ja 4 upon 5, this 5 R power Q minus this R square. This power 2 will be subtracted from this 3 plus 5 into 7. It is 35 upon R square. Now R square, this power is greater than this R power 1. We will take this power from numerator to denominator and it will be subtracted. When any power is taken from denominator to numerator, it will be subtracted, and if from numerator to denominator, then it also subtracted. Now minus 70 upon Q plus 4 upon 5 R power 1 plus 35 upon again R. This is the solution of this question. So we completed question number 1. Now come to question number 2. Now see question number 2. Divide the polynomials. In this question number, you will learn how can we divide a polynomial by another polynomial. This is trinomial and this is binomial. These are known as polynomial. Till now, you were learning division of algebraic expression binomial or trinomial by monomial. Here divisor is monomial, but here divisor is binomial. So how we will divide it? First, this is the given question. We will write this question in this form. We will write a plus 5 as a divisor. This is divisor. The number by which we are dividing, it is known as divisor. A square plus 7a plus 10, and this number which to be divided is known as dividend. And what will be the answer? It is quotient. So students, how we will do? Listen it very carefully. It is little bit difficult. We will take first term. How many terms are here? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 terms here, and here 2 terms. We will take first term of this dividend. First term of this dividend is a square, and first term of this divisor, it is a. we will divide these two terms. How? We have to divide this a square by this a. See here, a square by a. A square means a into a upon a. A cancel. What is the answer here? What is the quotient? A. We will write this a here. Now multiply this a plus 5 divisor with this quotient. A, we have to multiply this a plus 5 by this a. A plus 5 will be multiplied by this a. So a multiply a. It will be a square plus this plus, then a multiply by 5. It will be 5a. A square plus 5a. We will write this a square plus 5a here. Now we will change these two signs as we did in the subtraction of algebraic expression. This is plus, it will become minus. This is also plus, it will be considered plus because there is no sign. We will change it minus. Now simplify. See, this is a square and now it is minus a square. Earlier it was plus a square, now it is minus a square. We will take a square minus a square. It will be cancelled. Plus 7a minus 5a. Then if we simplify these two terms, we get plus 2a. Now write this plus 10 here like this. Clear? Again follow the same procedure. Now first term is plus 2a. We will write here plus 2a and again divide by this a. It is 2a upon a. When we simplify a cancel, we get plus 2. Now we will write this plus 2 again here in quotient and again multiply this plus 2 a plus 5. This a plus 5 now multiplied by this plus 2. Plus 2 multiply a, it will be 2a, and plus 2 multiply by 5, it will be plus 2 5 ja 10. We will write 2a plus 10 here. Again change the sign. This is plus, we will change here minus. This is also plus, it will be considered plus. Again change minus. Now it is plus 2a and this is minus 2a. It will be cancelled. Then this plus 10 and it is minus 10. Now it is not considered plus 10. We will take the sign which we have changed. It is minus 10. They are also cancelled. Remainder is 0. This is the division of polynomials. Come to B part. Students, again I am telling you it is little bit confusing, little bit difficult. So listen and see it very carefully, and if you are not able to understand, see it again and again. We have written next question. Again we will write it in this form. We have, this is b minus 7 divisor and dividend is b square plus 3b minus 70. Student, it is compulsory. If you do this rougher, this is rougher, then there will be no mistake. Otherwise you will do mistake. In this question again we will follow the same step. What we will do first? We will divide first term of this dividend by this first term of divisor. So it is b square. We will write it, see, b square upon b. Again b square means b into b upon b. b cancel b. Write this b here in quotient. Now this b minus 7 will be multiplied by this b. b multiply b. It is b square. Then this minus b multiply by 7. b multiply by 7. It will be 7b. We will write here b square minus 7b. Again we will change the sign. See, this time here it is minus. So minus will change to plus. It is plus, it will change to minus. Now this is plus b square and this is minus b square. they will cancel. This is plus 3b and this is plus 7b. We will not take it minus 7b. We will take plus 7b. So when we simplify plus 3b and plus 7b, it will be plus 10b. Now write this new term from here, minus 70. Now again follow the same step. This time first term is plus 10b divided by this b. b cancel. We will get plus 10. Now multiply this b minus 7 by this 10. So 10 multiply b, it will be 10b. Then this minus 10 multiply 7, 10 7 ja 70. First we will write this plus 10 here, then 10b minus 70. Again change the sign, this minus will change to plus and this plus will change to minus. It is plus 10b and it is minus 10b. They will cancel. Minus 70 plus 70. They will also cancel. So our quotient is b plus 10. Students, I have tried my best to explain you. So I think there should be no difficulty. But if you feel any difficulty, you can ask from me. Okay students, today we will do up to here only. In the next class, we will do the remaining parts. Thank you students and have a nice day.